Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott Wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. So I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's move on to first SGX Nifty, later onwards Nifty. So and we already discussed on Thursday regarding the five-way structure I'm looking for. So if it did the five-way structure, and again I'm looking only for the three-way structures, otherwise it can be a bigger three-way structure to the downside, and it's already same thing, it's already did. But what the structure it is did the previous. From here I expected the three-way structure, but it already broken the previous high also. And here also it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this looks like the already the five-way structure, and it is already completed here. And so this is the wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It seems like that, and this is the leading diagonal here. So as I expected here, the five-way structure, it is already completed, but it is not looking like a three-way structure what we expected in that second possibility. So now after the five-way structure completed, I am expecting the three-way structure, and it is already we are in the three-way structure. So here also the third way has got a five-way structure, and here also the five-way structure, and here also it's a five-way structure. So now it is the complete five-way structure is going. It's already completed. So now we have to make it this as a perfect stop loss, and I'm expecting the three-way structure. So it's a one impulsive wave is already did, and 1, 2. So whether it is doing a triangle here, and one more low is also possible to reach again the 16,800 in SGX Nifty. Otherwise it can do this kind of intermediate wave B as a triangle, and one more swing here, the one impulsive wave, and then afterwards downwards. But what we expecting, it is not a must to reach this one. So what we'll do here is it can either move like this thing, such a pattern here. So then this will become the correction in a irregular flat formation, and later onwards one more three-way structure without making this 16,850. So in the bigger picture, this will be the correction part, and one more high is also possible. So the market will move. This is the correction part. Either it is a regular flat correction, it can do. Otherwise, it can do the irregular flat formation if you understand deeply the Elliott waves, and you just go through and play back again what I explained here. So now I'm expecting only the bullish scenario. So we didn't know what kind of correction it is going to happen in that either second wave or B wave. So why I expected this as a second wave? This could be the chances for making the five-way structure. So this is already the fourth wave is completed, and I'm looking only for the fifth wave in the five-way structure. So this could be the wave 1, and we are in the wave 2 also. So otherwise, why I look at this as a so the fourth wave may be ahead in the formation of irregular flat formation, or it could be a triangle. So until that wave formation, it is keep on 5 waves. So there is no conclusion. After that only we can come to the conclusion whether the fourth wave is still ahead or we are in that fifth wave. So once the 5 waves structure is got completed, now next we are expecting the second wave. So if I did the third wave, so later onwards fourth wave, and fifth wave means the whole thing becomes a wave 1 also. Later on wave 2, and again it can shoot for the third wave. So this could be a little bit bigger, and one more fourth wave and fifth wave. So it can be split into the five-way structure like here. 1 second. Yeah, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this I'm expecting. So this is my view as of now in SGX Nifty. The Nifty also remains same. So in SGX Nifty, we will get the clear picture, but here it is not at because of the gap up open, because of the it is not a 24-hour market. So we will wait for this. 1 2 3 4 5 is already completed, it seems like that here also. And if we look at this as, sometimes it is looking like a three-way structure also, because of that 1 2 3, and here the small fourth it's already did in that 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart here. So the 1 2 3 4 5 is already completed here, and one more high. But well, look at this here, it seems 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here is a little bit confusion in that Nifty. That is why I keep watching the both the chart here, and then I will come to the conclusion. So in the this week may be a little bit volatility, maybe a volatility because of FIS on the Christmas and New Year. So they may already book the profit, or it may again they may book the profits, or it can be a they can buy also. So it's all depends upon that the price action what we are expecting. So anyway, what I'm looking here is one more low is also possible for that 16,800 zone, and later onwards I am looking only for that bullish scenario. Either it could be the fourth way is still ahead in the Roman letter fourth, what I explained that uh, SGX Nifty, and otherwise this could be the chances for making this kind of five-way structure from here to reach my target of 19,500. So you hope you enjoyed, and it's a lovely weekend for the Merry Christmas to all followers as well as my friends. And coming year is a new year, so work on that for your educational to make consistent money in this financial market. Work hard, and 2022 will be ours. So thanks a lot. Have a nice wonderful festival weekend. It's already ended, and it has to be coming to the next new year also. Bye.